Certain shot I want to get is a mirror shot, and this is tricky as hell. So basically what I want you to do is you're going to put your hand on here. Yep. This is a little bit more on the technical aspect of it. A lot of people can't do mirror shots. Mirror shots are very, very difficult to do because there's a lot of parameters. There's a lot of things that go into getting a good mirror shot. I'm not going to go down the whole entire list of how to do this, but I am going to tell you a few things. Number one is the softbox or modifier that you're using to get light on your subject, but also continue to keep the modifier out of the picture. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have my 22-inch or 24-inch modifier or anything like that, so I'm stuck with using my 40-inch softbox. So it's really hard to manipulate the composition in order to get enough light on her, but also keep the modifier out of the image, because as you know, if you know anything about lighting, the closer the softbox is to your model, the softer the image, right? So the first thing is the modifier. You got to make sure you have the right modifier in order to do a mirror shot. The second thing you have to make sure is that your model knows what she's doing. A lot of times when you're giving them direction and telling them which way to pose, I'm like, you have to look through the mirror, but you also have to pose looking at me. So now you're going to be looking here, but you're looking at me through the window. I mean, through the mirror. Yeah.
Right here.
Yep, exactly. A lot of times their eyes will start to go and look at themselves. And I'm like, no, don't look at me. Like, I mean, don't look at yourself. Like, look at me. So you have to make sure your model knows what she's doing. The third thing that I want to tell you about a mirror shot is the composition. You have to be able to manipulate and maneuver your model's body into the image, into the mirror, to get a proper shot. And this is where having the right lens also comes into perspective, because if your lens is too long, like a 70, like an 85 or a 50 or something like that, you might not be able to get a lot of the body in the shot and get a really good mirror shot. It's only going to be for like a head to like a chest part because you don't have the right lens to use. And then the last thing is yourself. You got to make sure that you are out of the image in order to get a really nice shot. So a lot of times you want to come over and you want to get that shot, but you start moving into the image. So now you got to get back and you got to line that thing up just right in order to get a really good mirror shot. So believe me when I say, if you can pull out a mirror shot, you are goated, because it is one of the many technical things, hard things to do, and to do properly and still get a properly exposed image. That's the basic principle. You have to be able to get a proper shot, a beautiful lit image without compromising anything else. Can you actually do it? All right, I'm gonna show you how I do it. Let's get to the video. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see something. All right, so bring this hand down. So move it more, come more like your elbow.
Oh,
yeah,
like
yeah, there you go. And then bring your chin up. Yes, there it is, right there. So now you're gonna be looking here, but you're looking at me through the window. I mean, through the mirror. Yeah.
Right here.
Yep, exactly, exactly. Ooh, yep, I gotta go right here. All right. All right. Here we go. First shot. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1.